Working with dates is a surprisingly common problem that is surprisingly difficult. So what's the date tomorrow, for example? Well, to do that, we can create a date object in JavaScript that has today's date, and we can see that it's February 17th at 4 p.m. We can get also the Unix timestamp from that, which is the number of seconds from midnight on January 1st, 1970. And if we add 24 times 60 times 60, or 24 hours times 60 minutes per hour times 60 seconds per minute, multiplied by 1,000 to get the number of milliseconds, then we can get the Unix timestamp of tomorrow at the same time. And if we display that, you can see that it is exactly 24 hours after today. So does this work in every single case, however? Well, let's try, for example, with midnight on February 28. February is only 28 days, so let's see what happens. And yes, this shows us midnight on March 1st, all good here. But what if we tried, for example, November 6th? Well, let's see here. What? The day after November 6th is November 6th? What's going on? Well, turns out that this is due to the time zone that I'm currently in. My Node.js is set to the time zone America Los Angeles, which uses daylight savings time. And when daylight savings time ends, or when it starts, days are not 24 hours long, but they are 25 or 23 hours. And that means that adding 24 times 60 times 60 times 1,000 milliseconds to today's date is not a reliable way to get tomorrow's date. So what can we do? Well, there are two different things that we can do. The first one is that we can use a library, for example, date functions, that is aware of time zones and always calculates the right number even when daylight savings time is involved. You can find this module on NPM. An alternative is to just set your Node.js process to use a time zone that does not use daylight savings time, such as UTC. So we just change the environmental variables to etc UTC, and then you see that even without any function, the date is correctly found here.